Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can do screencast in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on search, and here you have to write cast. Click on screencast and you can just display more devices. You have to turn on the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and you will see it is searching for the display devices like TV or laptop screen, tab screen. So it will show the device name over here. So you have to do is connect the same Wi-Fi with TV and your mobile phone. So it will show that device name and you have to click on it and your screen will be showed to another device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.